Hello, I'm here reviewing the Ninja CFP301 coffee maker for the second time. I gave it rave reviews the first time, probably 5 stars. Right now I would probably give it 3.5 to 4, as I have encountered some issues with it. But I want you to be aware so that you don't just give up and decide to discontinue using it. So everything about this is awesome. I love the different brew styles. I love that I can make cold coffee and sometimes use it in smoothies. I use the hot water function every single day for tea, and I absolutely love the frother. That is just awesome to me. I love the fact that you can use a pot or you can use pods, and the pods are the one thing that I really want to focus on. So if you have this machine and you've been using it for a while and all of a sudden it seems like it shorts out or it no longer works, please know that it's really super important that if you use the pod function on a regular basis, that you take the pods out when you are done using them, preferably as soon as possible. These little sharp blades at the top tend to get clogged from coffee grounds, and the longer you kind of just let the pod sit with the blades in the coffee grounds, the worse it is. So all of a sudden one day I went to brew a pot of coffee and it wasn't working for me. It kind of seemed like it shorted out, and I found a great tutorial on YouTube actually, and it probably states this in the manual as well, that this top portion mechanism should be taken out, and then once you take this out, that this top portion then right here, you should take this to your kitchen sink and really flush those blades out. And I see coffee grounds come out of them, and I was not aware of that, but they do get clogged, so you should really flush these out. I do it every day now. In addition to that, you want to flush out the pod part, the bottom part, and also the other important part to flush out is this tubular part. I'm focusing in on there as well. As again, this little tubular part, I run water in there, kind of dump it out. I shake it to make sure all of the grounds come out of this. And so once I did that and really flushed it out and made sure the grounds were out of it, especially out of those blades on the top, it brewed a perfect cup of coffee for me. However, this is ongoing. Now I do have to do it every day basically, and I make sure to just kind of stay on task with it so I can use the pod maker. Otherwise, the rest of the machine works great, but just in case you are considering ordering this or you have ordered it and you wanted to see if other people have had the same issue, maybe if you are having that issue, it does exist. So just proper care and maintenance and really taking care of it. Other than that, I would say it's pretty super awesome, and I would not object to ordering it again. Hope this was helpful.
Come on, you're gonna break something, damn it.
Hello, I am here with my CFP 307 DualBrew Pro specialty coffee system. We've had this unit since July 13th. It's now October 13th. So that's almost exactly 3 months. This machine is absolutely fantastic when it works. For some reason, we have a new issue that has manifested, which makes this unit completely unusable. I'm going to demonstrate how I turn this thing on, and it just turns itself off immediately. So right now it's draining water out of the tank. And as you can see, it just turned off, did a power cycle, a reset. It comes back on, but, well, the unit power restores, but as you can see, it's reset. Turn this on, and set the time. Okay, I'll try this again. For grins, whatever. Just to show that how it resets. And there you have it. It resets back. 12 a.m. I am completely done with this thing. Hopefully, if you buy this, you'll have a better experience, but at this point, we're just trying to get a replacement because, again, when this thing worked, it was absolutely amazing. But now it's completely useless. So there you have it.
amazing. I love it. Water filter goes here, or you can have it here. I prefer the back so I can use the little milk frother. Your little spoon. I made a K-cup for me earlier. This is the one I made. Put the pot in here, close it. Very good. Or you can do the carafe. Push in, remove. You have the filter for your carafe. Just pull, and then you can choose whichever one you like. And if you want the K-cups, you can just do this, push, it's ready to go. Really, really good.
I'm really pleased with my new coffee pot. I get to choose the coffee cup size. I have 11 ounces. I chose rich, using the K-cups. This is what they look like. I bought stainless steel refillable ones, so just make sure that the yellow is center front. Comes with its own measuring thing, the little side here for these. I pour it in and tap down. Set this on top. And my favorite part, if I can do this one-handed, is that I can froth the milk. You see that? This just comes up, and you have to hold this button down while it does it. My coffee's done. Nice and rich, as you can see. I'm very pleased.
So if you're trying to brew coffee, but your coffee maker keeps doing this, and it keeps beeping closed, all you have to do is turn this drip stopper from closed to open. And then you can go ahead and start brewing coffee. So there's nothing wrong with this here at all. There's nothing wrong with this. You just have to turn this drip stopper located here from closed to open. And there you go. I hope this helps you guys. I was stuck on this for 2 hours trying to figure this out, and I finally figured this out. Unfortunately, there's no reviews that explains how to start brewing coffee once you get this. And I saw a couple of reviews where people actually returned this coffee maker because they couldn't figure out why it wouldn't brew. So I'm hoping this helps you guys and that it lets you know you do not have to return the coffee maker. There's nothing wrong with this at all. You just have to turn this drip stopper from closed to open. And there you go. Hope this helps.
I love this Ninja coffee maker. It does pods, but also does full carafes of coffee. I use it every single day. It's amazing. It has its own little built-in frother that works really well. It doesn't heat the milk, so I usually will just heat my milk in the microwave before I do it, but this is such a convenient coffee maker and it tastes great. I love it.
All I want every morning is you.